Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. It's Nige from Qualitig, and I get a lot of questions asked about Qualitig and what we actually do here. So I thought I'd just make a little video about me to explain a bit more about what we actually do. I see Qualitig and myself as like a Robin Hood. We just want to look after everybody and we want to help everybody. I've been the newbie welder. I've been the one wanting to do hobby welding. I'm the one who's wanting to do art. I've been the one scared sitting opposite a teacher in a class. I've been scared being around younger people and groups of people in my group because of how good they might be, how confident they are, and because I weren't, I always used to shrink a little bit. You put a torch in my hand and I could ace anything, but you put a penny in my hand for the written exam at the end and I just shrunk like a lot of people do. And I didn't find it getting any easier. I went back to college myself, but there were so many people in my class who walked away before they even took their written exam at the end. It made me think, so I set up Qualitig, and what I do now is I teach 100% practical welding days to take all this noise away from everybody. So it don't matter what age you are, it don't care what levels you're at, this sort of gives every single person a chance. You spend a day with me, you turn up, you sit opposite me, I take over your hands. This is a torch, this is a rod, you do the torch, I do the rod, and that's how it works. As soon as you phone me up, whatever you tell me you want to learn, the day will be remarkable for you, and the fear will go from the minute you walk through the door. Make yourself a cup of tea, we'll have a bacon sandwich, we'll have a chat, we'll talk about football, put your best CD on, whatever it is. I focus my day on exactly that. On Wednesday each month, we're having like a taster days, and what these are, you just come along for a few hours and I do a bit of TIG welding, I do a bit of MIG welding, I do a bit of repair work, to show you exactly what welding is all about. And if there's any more you need, just give us a shout. All right, take care, look after yourselves.